You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious dish of German origin. We'll be looking at how to say more delicious food names too, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In German, for reference, it's said as Kartoffelpuffer. Kartoffelpuffer. It's often said in English as Kartoffelpuffer, but really should be said more a puffer sound than a puffer sound. Kartoffelpuffer. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate the support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.